Hey, Jackie, girl. Where, Jackie, where you from?
Hey, bro.
Huh?
Does he see this motherfucker?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, oh boy, right.
Both in the beams and shit. Like, what you doing, bro? Y'all scoot back, fam. Y'all ain't even do a burnout?
Nah, it won't do one.
It won't do one.
Nuh-uh. It won't do a burnout. He just got to run it like that.
You better not give it all.
It's a traction control on. Easy, easy. Oh, he ain't easy.
Step on it for him. Step on it for him. Step on it for him.
Oh, come on, man. Go. I'm gonna step.
Go, go, go.
He don't know what he got going. He got a nice car. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Traffic control.
Yeah.
And all that. I don't know.
But you can tell it's running.
Man.
Yeah, it is running. Yeah, you can tell. Yeah.
He just don't know how to.
Okay, here go an F Sport model Lexus.
Hey, this is a rerun or what?
Here go an F Sport model. Where's Yello Belly? We are out here in Dallas, Texas. Grand Prairie, Texas. Okay, we got 2,400 people live on TikTok. Look out, y'all. We also live on YouTube, and if any of y'all want to watch it live on the widescreen, HD, and being able to show two cars at one time. Okay. Let me see something. They out here gambling. If y'all want to gamble, we in Texas.
Can you see me do like this? Pro tree. Hey, didn't I do that cute?
Yeah.
I told him pro tree.
Pro tree, man. Okay, look, they over there betting on them.
I told him pro tree. Yeah, but I told him red light no look.
Okay.
Well, I ain't there. That's why I popped. I ain't getting his ass. Yeah, he hurt me. Hey, man, get my own boy to my dog. Look at him.
For the peroxide, I'll get Angel some peroxide, man. He should be already had some peroxide from last week.
Hey, this side, wait. What you want, Angel? 60 to 40? What you want, Angel?
60 to 20.
Oh, it look like he finna red light. Over with. Easy money. Okay. Look out all my people on TikTok, y'all. We trying to grow my YouTube channel. We need a couple more hundreds. And there's a couple thousand over there. So, hey, we need a couple more hundreds to hit that subscribe button. It's Lookout Racing on YouTube. And we live. You on there too, right? Lookout Racing on YouTube. All right, I'm finna record your pass, man. You finna win it. Well, cause I already got 100 better with you. I'm finna bet 50 more, man. I'm telling you, you got them. That truck ain't fast. Is that the one? That ain't the one that's fast, bro. You got, hey, 50 more right here. 50 more. I'm gonna have him thinking that I'm betting 50 more. Oh, I'm gonna make him bet. Huh? Yeah. Oh shit. What y'all in? Oh, I can't do nothing with it. That ain't in my class. Me too, yeah, but it's faster. Y'all faster. Y'all faster, y'all win. Y'all drove her faster than me. Hey, 50. What's up? Go! Real go around the bag, baby. Come on, goddamn. That's it. That's it, goddamn. Whoa! Yeah. That's all. Let's eat this motherfucker. That's all. Let's eat this. Damn.
What you doing? He going in his pocket. He going in his goddamn pocket. What he doing? Boom! Goddamn me. I'm trying to teach him something. Look out. Boom! If it ain't set up, I ain't gonna fucking lose.
Yeah. Damn. See, Funkertown be getting paid on every race. Okay. We got 2,400 people watching on TikTok, y'all. Hey, y'all, my TikTokers, look out. Where y'all from, TikTokers? Where all y'all from since all y'all over here? South Africa in the building. Florida, South Dallas, Toronto, San Antonio, Detroit, Michigan. Look out. Hey, Jordan. Okay, he back again, y'all. It ain't gonna burn out, bro. Just leave home.
Hey, get over there, man.
Okay. Oh shit! There you go. He done figured out how to do it now. Hey man, I got 500 over here. 500. I got 500 on you, man. Oh shit, he got the wheel turned. He dangerous. Back it up some more. Come on back. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I bet 5 to give me the hit.
Yeah.
Over here with some hard money. Hell no, who got this? He ain't getting no hit. Hell no.
Yeah, now.